Now in the last chapter we saw how to create a blurb module. However, if you remember, we actually created effectively 3 columns and we only created 1 blurb. So in the last chapter we went through how we created this and how we customized it and all the rest of it. If I wanted to, I could go here, go down to where it says blurb and create another blurb from scratch, and the same here. But bearing in mind I've already customized this one, wouldn't it be nice if I could just simply copy this one over here and here and change the text and change the picture? And that's very easy to do. So if I just move the mouse pointer over the first blurb here, you've got this little menu, can you see that? And this one here is the duplicate module item. So if I click here once and then again, if I scroll down a bit, you can see I've now got 3. So you can guess where this is heading. This one here, I'll just go to this control here and drag over here. Again, this one here, I'll just drag over here. So now instead of 1 module, I've got 3 modules. Okay, they're all exactly the same, but the point is all the formatting is identical for each one. So they've got, green background, rounded edges, they've all got nice padding and the rest of it. Now if I go to this second blurb here, I can click here, and where it says flights, I'll change that to hotel accommodation. And if I scroll down a little bit, instead of special discount flights to Thailand, I'll select that and just paste over the text, we find the best hotels for you. And I also want to change the picture. So if I come down here, it says icon, or rather image and icon. I can delete the existing one. Click here, it says add image. Select another image, maybe that one there. And as you can see, we've now got a completely new blurb here that was based on the original. Now we'll modify the third blurb module over here. So I'll click here. I'll change the word from flights to villa accommodation. And if I scroll down a little bit, I'll change this text to some text saying that all our villas have pools and a regular cleaning service. And again, I want to change the image because at the moment it's got the same image as the original one. So what I'll do is I'll scroll down a little bit, click here, delete that image, click here to add an image, and scroll down for something a little bit different. Let's go for, say, that one. And there we go. So again, if we're happy with that, we just click on where it says save here, and that's going to save the page for us. So in this case, we saw how to duplicate the blurb module, but the whole point is any module you can create, you can duplicate it and just recycle it. So I think you'll agree, you've only just started producing this website, but already it's looking pretty dramatic.